Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer, National Police Commission, Commissioner Rafael Vicente Calinisan.
Sa magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Thank you for having me. It's my first time to attend the AFAD conference seated in front. Lagi po akong pag-alagala dito for the past couple of years at ngayon lang po ako naimbitahan dito sa inyong harapan para magsalita. Ito po aking pangalawang buwan bilang hepe ng National Police Commission. Ang hindi nyo po natatanong, kasama nyo rin po ako. Ako po isang gun enthusiast. Ako po Type 5 LTAC holder. Secret shooter. Huwag nyo na akong tanong. Ang sinasalihan ko po yung unsanctioned PPSA matches. Kaya mismo, I like firearms. And this is heaven for me. And totoo lang po, nung ako po'y naimbitahan dito para maging inyong tagapagsalita ngayong araw na ito, ako po'y hindi lang po ako ginalak, ako po'y kinilig. Dahil para nyo pong pinakawalan ng isang isda sa tubig. That being said, being part of NAPOLCOM, bilang pulis ng pulis, part ng aming functions also is to do guidelines, is to do policies. So let it be said that while I'm here, I still have 5 years and 7 months, 6 months left in my term. Medyo mahaba pa. We will be friendly to all gun owners. Legitimate, responsible gun owners. Hindi po yung mga kriminal. We are not in the same mold as them. Lahat po ng pwede nating itulong para lumaki at lumaganap ang gun industry sa Pilipinas ay gagawin po natin. Because we understand that ito po ay karapatan ng lahat. Ito po ay isang industriya at dapat lang po na suportahan. So that being said, anything that you need, be it new legislation, be it new policies from the National Police Commission, be it assistance from the Firearms and Explosives Office, we are here behind you. The National Police Commission is 120% behind the AFAD. Maraming salamat po.